Sir, I can hear you.
So today we will start online reconciliation lecture or real-time integration of financial accounting with controlling. So why there should be integration of cost accounting, controlling with financial accounting. This integration is necessary. This integration between financial accounting and controlling is necessary when we are using the second scenario of controlling area. What is the second scenario? Cross company code cost accounting. So in the case of cross company code cost accounting, right, we assign multiple company codes to the same controlling area. That is the cross company code cost accounting. So in that case only, we need integration of financial accounting with the controlling. Why? Let us take one scenario. Listen to me carefully. This is a little bit confusing topic, right? Listen to me carefully. Wherever you have the doubt, immediately you can stop me and clarify your doubt. Here we have two company codes, company code A and the company code B. Then in the company code A, we have two cost centers, cost center P and the cost center Q. Similarly, in the company code B, we have two cost centers, cost center X and the cost center Y. Okay, now we assign both the company codes to the same controlling area. Okay, that is the cross company code cost accounting. In that case, cost center P, cost center Q of company code A and cost center X and the cost center Y of company code B are existing in the same controlling area. Okay, now today we have posted salaries in the company code A. Salaries accounted to bank, 50,000, right? Now, remember, the salaries is posted in company code A, right? Salaries accounted to bank, 50,000. Then this is posted to cost center P. Okay? Then account balances. How the account balances will be reflected now. In the company code A, salaries account, 50,000 debit. Then the company code B, salaries account 0 balance because it is not posted in B. Okay. Then cost center reports in the company code A, cost center P is debited to 50,000. Then in the company code B, no cost center is updated. Till now clear? Till now clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now remember cost center P, Q, X, Y, which belongs to two company codes, are existing in the same controlling area. Then at the end of the month, we have reposted the salaries of 10,000 from the cost center P of the company code A to the cost center X of the company code B, because some of the employees of the cost center P were transferred to cost center X in a particular month only through the transaction code KB11. In this case, no FI document is posted, but only CO document is posted. In the case of repost of costs, right? In the case of repost of costs, we can transfer the cost from one cost center to another cost center in the controlling area. Right? Now, we have transferred a salaries of 10,000 from the cost center P to cost center X. Actually, cost center P belongs to company code A and the cost center X belongs to company code B. So in the case of repost of costs, only CO document is posted. No FI document is posted, right? That's why it will take impact only in controlling. As a result, the following effect will take place in both the company codes. In the company code A, cost center P, salaries originally posted 50,000. Less transfer tax 10,000. Balance 40,000. Then in the company code B, cost center X originally posted 0, but transfer from P 10,000. So cost center reports are correct, right? But as far as FI account balances are concerned, they are not affected because FI document is not posted. So, but there will not be any change in the account balance of salaries account, either in the company code A or company code B, as no FI document is posted. So, still in the company code A, the salaries account shows 50,000 balance, and in the company code B, the salaries account shows 0 balance, which is logically wrong. Because when we transfer the salaries from cost center P of company code A to cost center X of company code B, at FI level also, salaries account should be affected, no? In the company code A, salaries account is to be reduced by 10,000, and the company code B, salaries account is to be increased by 10,000. But it will not take effect like that because FI document is not posted. So due to the online reconciliation ledger functionality, FI document is also posted so that salaries account is also updated in both the company code C and B before ECC 6.0. The current version is ECC 6.0 EHP 8, right? Now, before ECC 6.0, right, there is no automatic function of reconciliation, right? Every month end, we have to execute one transaction code wherein FI and CO are reconciled. But from ECC 6.0 onwards, whenever you transfer the cost from cost center of one company code to the cost center of another company code, the system automatically reconciles the FI documents also. So in this example, when we transfer the cost from cost center P of company code A to cost center X of company code B, in addition to impacting the cost center balances, the system also affects the salaries account balance in both A company code and B company. For that, we need to do some configuration. So, because of online reconciliation, right, in the company code A, the following FI document is posted. Company code B account data to salaries account. Company code A has to receive 10,000 towards from the company code B. So, in the company code A books, company code B is debited and salaries account is credited. As a result, the salaries account in the company code A is reduced by 10,000. In the company code B, the following FI document is posted. Salaries account is debited and company code A is credited. In the company code B books, right? As a result, salaries account is increased by 10,000. Then the account balances in both the company codes are also affected. In the company code A, salaries originally posted 50,000, less transfer to X 10,000, balance will be 40,000. Then the company code B, salaries originally posted 0, but transfer from P cost center, which belongs to company code A, 10,000. So salaries account balance will show 10,000 in the company code B. Cost center reports as usual, right? Cost center P in the company code A, salaries originally posted 50,000, less transfer to X 10,000. So balance 40,000. In the company code B, cost center X, salaries originally posted 0, transfer from P 10,000, balance 10,000. So for this is called online reconciliation. Right? So for this, we develop the configuration. Let us create one more company. Right? We have the company code SSKV, right? Now let us create one more company code SSKX. Because we have to assign two company codes to the same controlling area, right? So creation of company code SSKX by copying from SSKV. By copying from SSK. So you know how to create the company code F-fresh, right? But now I am going to create a company code by copying from another company code. SPRO, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Tell me, observe.
Sir, what happened with the existing company code? Because you are creating a new one, so how we can incorporate these changes to the existing company code, which we
That's
have
what I'm going to
already
show you now.
doing?
Right? I'm going to show you now how the
Okay,
code is created and all these things. Okay.
right.
Yeah. That's why I'm going to create a new company code. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. So previously, to create the company code, you have clicked on edit company code data, right? Now we are going to copy. So double click on copy, delete, check company code. Now you get one blank screen. Go to menu, organizational object, copy organizational object. From company code, SSK. All the GL accounts, all the settings of company code SSKV, right, will be copied to new company code, except vendor master records, etc. All the chart of accounts and other basic settings will be copied to this company code. Two company code is called SSKX, new company code. Let us take, because cost and X is also, you get confused. Do one thing, SSKT. Two company code is called SSKT. Click on enter. See, look at the message. Only copy the GL accounts if you want to allocate the same chart of accounts to target company code as to the source company code. So in order to assign the several company codes to the same controlling area, chart of account should be same, right? Do you want to copy the GL account company code data? Yes, right? You have to click yes on the message. Then again, it is giving one more message. The reference company code has local currency INR. Reference company code means here SSKB company code is the local currency INR. If you allocate different local currency to the target company code, that is the new company code, GL accounts with the currency INR are also changed. So do you want to allocate a different local currency to the target company code? No. So for the new company code also, I want to use the same currency INR. So click on no. Now you get one message, certain data was not copied, right? Then ignore the message by clicking on enter. You have to go on clicking on enter button. Even the number ranges are also transferred to the new company code. The GL accounts, except GL account balances, right? GL account master records, chart of accounts, posting period variants, field status variants, all the basic settings are copied to new company code. You have to go on clicking on enter. See, company code SSKV copied to SSKT without one number range objects. Just click enter on the message. So we have created one company, right? See, click enter till message company code, write down. Company code SSKV copied to SSKT company code without one number range object. Without one number range object. Then click on back arrow. Double click on edit company code data. Double click on edit company code data. Click on position. Company code is equal to SSKT. Click on enter. So here SSKV company code is Reliance Power Limited, right? Now we have to change the name for SSKT. Set the company code SSKT. Click on details button. Company name is equal to Reliance Textiles Limited. Reliance Textiles Limited. So change the company name to Reliance Textiles Limited. Click on save. Now assign company code to company. SPRO, enterprise structure, assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to company. What is our company? SSKV, right? For SSKV, SSKV GR. So click on position. Company code is equal to SSKT. Company code is equal to SSKT. Click on enter. Company is equal to SSKV GR. SSKV GR. Click on save. Now change the document API to allow intercompany postings. Transaction code OBS7. It was already done because for every batch I do the same thing. No, you have to change the document API so that this document API allows the intercompany postings. Click on position. Document API. Click on enter. Select XA document type. Select intercompany postings. Select intercompany postings. It was already selected. Click on save. Now we have to create some GL accounts now. The following GL accounts are to be created in the company code SSKV. The following GL accounts are created in the company code SSKV. Creation of GL account. What is the second company code name? Reliance Textiles Limited, right? Okay. Creation of GL account. Reliance Textiles Limited. Creation of GL account. Reliance Textiles Limited. Under current assets, loans and advances. Under current assets, loans and advances. So you can create this GL account either as part of your current assets or part of your current liabilities. No issues. Transaction code FS00. GL account is equal to 2,160,000, just like that. So we are creating this GL account in the Reliance Power Limited, that is SSKV. Company code SSKV. Go to menu GL account, create. I think we have used the template, right? Company code SSKV. Yeah, click on with template. Click on with template. GL account is 2,100,000. Company code SSKV. Click on enter. Click on enter. short text is equal to Reliance Textiles Limited. Short text is equal to Reliance Textiles Limited. GL account long text is also Reliance Textiles Limited. Then go to create bank interest tab. Field status group G067. Field status group G067. Then you add one more field. Deselect relevant to cash flow checkbox. Deselect relevant to cash flow checkbox. Click on save. Now we have to create one more GL account. Here some space is there, no? Write down. Create the GL account. Create the GL account. COFI reconciliation account. Create the GL account. COFI reconciliation account. So these two accounts we are creating in SSKB company code only. GL account is 4,150,000. Company code SSKB. Click on with the template. GL account is 4,100,000. Company code SSKB. Click on enter. Short text is equal to COFI reconciliation account. Short text is equal to COFI reconciliation account. GL account long text is also COFI reconciliation account. Then go to create bank interest tab. You add one sentence there. Field status group ICCF. Field status group ICCF. COFI reconciliation accounts. Now you strike off this sentence. Click on save. Now, so we have created two GL accounts in SSKB company code. Again, we have to create two more GL accounts in SSKT company code. The following GL accounts are to be created in the company code SSKT. Company code is equal to 4,150,000. COFI reconciliation account, same. So when you are using same chart of accounts to several company codes, right? The GL account number will be same, right? So in the SSKT company code also, COFI reconciliation account will be 4,150,000 only. GL account is equal to 4,150,000. Company code SSKT. Here, GL account number is not there, right? Please add it. GL account is equal to 4,150,000. Company code SSKT. Click on with the template. GL account is 4,150,000. GL account is 4,150,000. Company code SSKB. Company code SSKB. Click on enter. Click on enter is not there. Click on enter. See, here also same. COFI reconciliation account, same account. Click on save. Now, GL account is equal to 2,161. Company code SSKT. Click on with template. It is not there, add it. Click on with template. GL account is 2,160. Company code SSKV. Click on enter. Short text and long text is Reliance Power Limited. Short text and long text is equal to Reliance Power Limited. So what we have done, we have created COFI reconciliation account with both the company codes. Then in SSKV, we created the GL account for Reliance Textiles Limited. Then in the Reliance Textiles Limited, SSKT, we created the GL account for SSKV, that is Reliance Power Limited. Clear? Click on save. Now, assignment of accounts for automatic postings, for intercompany postings or cross-company code transactions. This step is very, very crucial, right? This is the most confusing step. Wherever you don't understand, immediately stop me and ask me to explain, right? I will explain one more time. So, assignment of accounts for automatic postings. SPRO. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions, prepare cross-company code transactions. So we do the assignment in two company codes, right? So company code 1 is equal to SSKV. Company code 1 is equal to SSKV. Company code 2 is equal to SSKT. Company code 2 is equal to SSKT. Click on enter. See, posted in company code 1. What is company code 1? SSKV, right? Then cleared against SSKT. Now you think that you are SSKV company code. You assume that you are SSKV company code, right? Then receivable, debit posting key 40. Debit posting key 40. Account to debit is equal to 2,160. Account to debit is equal to 2,160. Within brackets, Reliance Textiles Limited. Reliance Textiles Limited. Continue. Within brackets, continue. This assignment is necessary. This assignment is necessary when the cost is transferred. When the cost is transferred from the cost center, or other controlling object, of SSKV company code, to the cost center, or other controlling object of SS company code, SSKT company code, of SSKT company code. Look at the screen. our company code is SSKT, right? So today we have transferred salaries of 10,000 from our cost center to the SSKT cost center, right? That means we have to receive from SSKT later on, right? So what is the GL account we have created for SSKT in our books? 2,160,000. So whenever the salaries is transferred or any expenditure is transferred from our cost center to the cost center of SSKT company code, in our books of accounts, SSKT is debited. Clear for everybody till now? I'm waiting for your answers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Now, payable. Credit posting key 50. Account credit 2,160,000. Account credit 2,160,000. Within brackets, Reliance Textiles Limited. This assignment is necessary. This assignment is necessary when the cost is transferred. When the cost is transferred from the cost center of SSKT company code to the cost center of SSKT company code. See, sometimes what happens? We can transfer the cost from the cost center of SSKT company code to cost center of SSKT company code, and vice versa also possible, no? We can transfer the cost from the cost center of SSKT company code to the cost center of SSKT company code, right? In that case, in our books, SSKT books, right, Reliance Textiles Limited is to be created. So we have assigned the GL accounts in SSKT company code. Now, company code 2. Yeah, observe. Tell me, observe. Unmute yourself.
Can you repeat again about the accounts credit in receivable and payable, account debit?
Yeah. See, our company code is SSKT. Okay.
Right.
No. You are getting confused. Here also 2,161,000. See, our company code is SSKT, right? Now, today we have transferred cost from our cost center to SSKT cost center. Okay.
Right.
In that case, we have to receive from SSKT company code later on. So, in our books of accounts, 2,160,000 SSKT company code, Reliance Textiles Limited, has to be debited. Clear?
Right.
Now,
Clear, sir.
now sometimes SSKT company code may transfer the cost from its cost center to our cost center.
Right.
Our company code is SSKT. Sometimes SSKT company code can transfer the cost from its cost center to our cost center.
Right,
SSKT
okay.
cost center, right? In that case, later on, we have to pay the salaries to SSKT company code, no?
Right.
So, in our books, SSKT company code is to be credited. So, what is the GL account? Reliance Textiles Limited, 2,160,000 only. Somebody said
Right.
2,161,000. No. Clear, Bindu? Why it is not 2,161,000? We are assigning the GL accounts in SSKT company code. Clear, Bindu?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now we assign the GL accounts in SSKT company code. So company code 2. posted in is equal to SSKT. Cleared against SSKT. Cleared against SSKT. Now our company code is SSKT. You have to assume that we are maintained the books of accounts of SSKT, right? Then debit posting key 40. Account debit is equal to 2,161. 2,161. Within brackets, Reliance Power Limited. Reliance Power Limited. Remember, our company code is SSKT. Write down. Within brackets, Reliance Power Limited. This assignment is necessary when the cost is transferred. Cost means not only salaries, any expenditure. When the cost is transferred from the cost center of SSKT company code to the cost center of SSKV company code. Next, to the cost center of SSKV company code. Next, credit posting key 50. Account credit is 2,161. Account credit is 2,161. Remember, our company code is SSKT. Within brackets, Reliance Power Limited. Reliance Power Limited. This assignment is necessary. This assignment is necessary when the cost is transferred. When the cost is transferred from the cost center of SSKV company code to the cost center of SSKT company code. Click on Save. Now, other settings are simple, no issues. Now, make the text optional in the field status group G004 cost accounts. So, transaction code OBC4. Because salaries account is going to be affected, no? In that case, salaries account we have selected, we have given the G004 field status group, right? In the G004 field status group, text is a required entry field. Now you have to make it as optional. Otherwise, we have to enter the text. Field status variant is equal to SSKV. Select the field status variant SSKV. Double click on field status groups. Double click on G004. Double click on general data. Select text as optional entry. Click on Save. Now we have to do the configuration in CO again. So we have to assign second company code to the controlling area. So maintain controlling area. OKKP. Click on position. Controlling area is equal to SSKV. Click on enter. Select the controlling area SSKV. Click on details button. Click on details button. Company code to controlling area. Select cross company code cost accounting. Select cross company code cost accounting. Under reconciliation ledger document type SCA. Under the reconciliation ledger document type SCA. Click on Save. Now, double click on Assignment of Company Codes. See, already we have assigned SSKV, right? Now you can assign SSKT. Click on New Entries. Company code is equal to SSKT. Click on Save. Now, double click on Activate the Components and Control Indicators. Select Company Code Validation. Checkbox. Because reconciliation happens between these two company codes. Click on Save. Ignore the message. Activate reconciliation ledger. SPRO. Controlling. Cost element accounting. Reconciliation ledger. Activate, deactivate reconciliation ledger. Double click on Activate reconciliation ledger. Controlling area is equal to SSKV. Controlling area is equal to SSKV. Click on Execute. Click on Execute. Ignore the warning message. Ignore the warning message. Now, define adjustment accounts for adjustment posting. Path is same as above. Define adjustment accounts for reconciliation posting. See, define adjustment accounts for adjustment posting, not adjustment for reconciliation. Define adjustment accounts for reconciliation posting. Path is same as above. Double click on define accounts for automatic postings. Define accounts for automatic postings. Click on change account determination button. Click on change account determination button, this one. Click on save. The account is 4,150,000. The account is 4,150,000. Within brackets, COFI reconciliation account. COFI reconciliation account. Click on save. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, I am back. Now, configuration in EC 6.0. So this configuration is exclusive to this version only. In the previous versions, this is not necessary. Define variant for real-time integration. SPRO. Finance accounting new. Finance accounting global settings new. Ledgers. Real-time integration of controlling with the financial accounting. Define variants for real-time integration. Click on new entries. Variant for real-time integration SSKV. Select real-time integration active checkbox. Then key date active from 1/4/2022. Key date active from 1/4/2022. Select account determination active checkbox. This one. Document type SCA. Document type SCA. Text is equal to real-time integration of CO with the FI for SSKV controlling area. For SSKV controlling area. Then select cross company code checkbox. So whenever you transfer, right, not only from cost centers, right, from FI to FI, that is called cross company code, right? Then select cross profit center checkbox. Means when you transfer the cost from one profit center of one company code to the other profit center of other company code. Then select cross segment checkbox. Select cross segment checkbox. Then one sentence is missing there. Select cross cost center checkbox. Select cross cost center checkbox. It is not there. So the real-time integration should happen when we transfer the expenses from one company code to another company code directly, or from one segment of one company code to another segment of another company code, or from the profit center of one company code to the profit center of another company code, or from the cost center of one company code to the cost center of another company. In those situations, real-time integration should take place. Click on Save. Then assign a variant for real-time integration to company codes. Path is same as it. Assign variants for real-time integration to company codes. Click on new entries. Company code is equal to SSKV. Variant for real-time integration is equal to SSKV. Variant for real-time integration is equal to SSKV. Again, company code is equal to SSKT. For both the company codes, we have to assign the real-time integration variant. Company code is equal to SSKT. Variant for real-time integration is equal to SSKV. Click on Save. Now, end user transactions. So in the second company code, we have to create one cost center, right? So creation of cost center in the company code, SSKT. Creation of cost center in SSKT. Transaction code KS01. So here I'm using the characters. Department X, just get it. Cost center is equal to Department X. we can easily recognize that this belongs to company code SSKT, valid from 1/4/2022 to 31st December 9,999. Click on enter. Name is equal to Department X. Description is equal to Department X cost center. Department X cost center. Person responsible B. Cost center category 1. Hierarchy area SS01. Look at the scheme. So how do we know that? How the system knows that this Department X cost center belongs to company code? You enter the company code here. Company code is equal to SSKT. Previously, if you remember, right, at the time of creation of cost centers, system did not display the company code button. Why? Because at that time, we assigned only one company code to the controlling area. So whatever the cost centers we create belong to that company code only. But today, we assign another company code to the same controlling area. In that case, this cost center belongs to which company code? We have to specify, right? Following everybody. That's why company code field is ready for input. Company code is equal to SSKT. Business area SSKV. Currency INR. So this Department X belongs to company code SSKT. Click on save. You know the warning message. Now, let us repost cost, right? So before reposting of costs, right, let us display the balances in the salaries account. Go to FS10. Account number 4,100,000 salaries. Company code SSKT. Fiscal year 2022. Click on execute. So in the SSKT company code, right, salaries account balance is 0. Okay. Then SSKV company code. Salaries account. So 9th month, December, right? 11,87,600. 11,87,600, right? So salaries balance is 11,87,600, right? Now, repost of costs, KB11. Document date is 29/12/2022. Posting date is equal to 29/12/2022. Cost center old. SS01001. Within brackets. Belongs to company code SSKV. Belongs to company code SSKV. Cost element 4,100,000. Amount 10,000. Cost center new. Department X. Cost center new. Department X. Within brackets. Belongs to SSKT company code. Belongs to SSKT company code. Click on save. Now, CO document is posted. In addition to that, FI account balances are also updated. Let us check. Display document in FI. Transaction code FB03. Click on document list button. Click on document list button. Just a minute. Click on document list button. Company code is equal to SSKV. Company code is equal to SSKV. Document number is equal to 1 to all lines. Fiscal year 2022. Posting date today. 29/12/2022. Click on execute. See, in the company code SSKV, document 58 was posted, right? Right now, observe that document number 58 is posted in the company code SSKV. In the company code SSKV. Okay. Double click on the document number 58. See here, company code SSKV, right? Reliance Textiles Limited is debited. Salary account is credited, right? Observe that SSKT company code is debited. Observe that SSKT company code is debited and the salaries account is credited in SSKV company code. In SSKV company. Clear, no? Now click on back arrow twice. Company code is equal to SSKT. Company code is equal to SSKT. Change the company code to SSKT. Click on execute. See document number 1. In the second company code, first document, right? And these document number in this were copied from SSKV document type number like this. While creating the company code. Right on. Observe that document number 1 is posted. Observe that document number 1 is posted in the company code SSKT. Double click on document number 1. See, in the company code SSKT, right? Salaries account is debited. Then Reliance Power Limited is credited. Observe that salaries account is debited and SSKV account is credited. SSKV account is credited in SSKT books. Now, if you go to the account balances, right? FS10N in SSKT company code, 10,000 debit balance is there, 9th month. Then in SSKV company code, 11,77,000 is there. Previously it was 11,87,000, right? Now it has become 11,77,600. This is called real-time integration of financial accounting with the controlling, right? Then accrual orders are imputed cost elements, right? This you will see tomorrow because it's also a little bit confusing topic, right? So we start it fresh mind tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, I will take 2 hours class, right? I will take 2 hours class. Please adjust your schedules like accordingly. Okay, then see you tomorrow.